Welcome to today's video. We have something exciting to share with you. We'll be showing you how to drag and drop your resume, to host it, and receive a link to share with the world in seconds. I'll be using a platform called Tiny.host, which has loads of other cool features such as analytics, custom domains, and more. Let's dive in. To get started, just go to Tiny.host and drag and drop your resume and upload it. Type in whatever name you want to appear as the URL for your resume and click upload. And now your resume is live. Impressive, right? Now let's explore some of the amazing features that makes Tiny.host ideal for hosting your resume.
The powerful analytics feature.
It provides you detailed insights into how many people have viewed your resume. This information can be extremely valuable, giving you insight into the impact your application is making. Additionally, using a link to share your resume is way more convenient than a PDF or a file.
Where did I put that PDF again?
With just a simple URL, you can easily share your resume to recruiters, hiring managers, or anyone else you want to impress. It's a hassle-free and efficient way to get your resume in front of the right people. Now, let's talk about the custom domain feature. Imagine having the ability to upload your resume to a custom domain such as cv.harrysmith.com. It adds a professional touch to your resume and ensures you create a memorable and unique online presence. A job seeker, a freelancer, or just someone looking to share their skills online, Tiny.host is the platform for you. It's user-friendly, has powerful analytics, it's custom domains, and it's just a general easy way for you to share your resume. That brings us to the end of this video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.